Howdy, got some more bills that we're going to go through. These are ones that I have saved from my previous bank strap searches, and I'm just going to go through them, kind of review them, look at some old friends, and then talk about them a little bit, and maybe decide some of them I'll pass on because they're not all super fancy. I mean, they're kind of mildly interesting, maybe, but we'll just go through them and I'll talk about them. And if you see one you like, let me know in the comments, or if you have a particular kind of bill that you're looking to find or that you're searching for, also put those in the comments. Now, I saved some of the cooler ones for the end. I have a few that I think will be very interesting, so stick around. All right, so we'll go through. I have about 40 bills here, and see, this first one was a trinary, 028. Kind of repeats 228 in the center, and almost a binary, not quite though. And this is one of a whole bunch of angel numbers that I have. So you see the 3 2s right there. That's an angel number. I just checked on eBay prior to recording this video, and these do sell. So they sell for a few bucks sometimes. So if you put them up and list them, you can get a few bucks for just 3 in a row like that. Here's another one with 3 6s. And another one with 3 4s. This bill's kind of in rougher shape. This one is a bookend. It has 41 at the front and 41 at the back. So if you have the repeating set of digits that are in the same order at the front and back, that's a bookend. And see, this one, I think, 1 2 4 9. I'm not super sure why I saved that one. That might be one I put back into circulation. And here's another one with 3 1s, another angel number. And here's another one with 3 5s. Each one of the patterns has a specific meaning. It was a fashionable thing to look at in the, say, maybe 20 years ago, something like that. Okay, this one I think I saved because if you look up here, see, that's a gas pump error. Like an old-fashioned gas pump, the number is a little bit higher than the rest of them, that last digit, so I kept that one. That was kind of cool. Yeah, here's a 888 angel number bill. And this one had a whole bunch of 4s in it. I think that's why I saved that one. This one has 5 2s in it, and there's a group of 3 2s there. Another angel number. This one has, I think I saved this one because it had 17 3 times. And those last 2 digits were also 17. That would be a super repeater. 2 digits repeated 4 times. And that would have been very valuable. But you get a lot of near misses when you strap hunt. There's a 999 angel number. This one was interesting. It has the 3 6s and then a pair of 4s and a pair of 1s. So a lot of repeating in that one. This one has 5 5s in it. It's a 55 bookend, 5 5 at the front and 5 5 at the back. And here's another 666 angel number. And a 888 angel number. seem to really like to collect the angel numbers and save them. Here's a 999 angel number, and a 666. And this one has zeros, nines, sevens. I think it kind of repeated, so I like that one. Okay, this one has had 780 twice in there, so I think that's why I picked and saved that one out. And 777. And another 777. And yet another 777. You like sevens? Put something in the comments, and I'll maybe if you want some of these bills, then I can maybe make some arrangements for you. And 888, 222. And I had a lot more angel numbers than I thought I did. And another 777. Okay, there's a 000. And the other thing I want to point out about this bill, sometimes if you have 5 digits, like you have the five digits at the front with zeros, or 3 zeros and then 5 digits at the back, those can be zip codes. About 43% of the zip of the 5-digit numbers are valid zip codes. So some people like to collect their zip code. I've sold a few zip code bills on eBay, and they can go from $7 to, I think I've sold some for $15. So they're kind of popular. And if they aren't zip codes, then they might be birthdays, like a short form birthday. Like this one is not, but if it was like 12981, then that could be January 29th, 1981. And some people can collect their birthdays that way also. Here's a 111 angel number. And another 777. I have like 5 or 6 in this pile. That's pretty cool. And there's a 888. We're almost getting to the fun ones. So the real fun ones. I got 555 and a 888. Whole bunch of them. Okay, these are starting to get the fun ones. Okay, so this has 5 zeros at 3 at the front, 2 at the back, and 357 in the middle. I checked 35700 as a zip code. It is not a zip code, but it is. You can also think of it like a 357 Magnum. That might be a fun bill for someone who likes that kind of thing. All right, we got 245. That's a trinary, and it has 4 4s at the front. So those are a little bit harder to come by. And here's one that has 4 1s at the front. I think also sometimes you can have 4 1s as an angel number. I'm not sure exactly what that means. I can research it, and maybe next time we see one. All right, this one is not so much the number, but it's the X. The X is fairly rare. Is when they print these bills, they will print all of the numbers with A for a given Federal Reserve Bank, and then if they need to print more, they'll make it B and C and so forth. They go through all the letters except I don't think they do O or Z, because O looks too much like a 0 and Z looks too much like a 2. But if you get all the way to X, there aren't that many print runs that got that far. So X is kind of rare. The only one that's rarer is Y, but X is, having an X bill is kind of cool. So just the fact that it's an X, they sell for premium that way. Okay, and this one have 4 zeros in the middle, so those are a little harder to come by too. And the last one is kind of cool. It's all of the digits 1 through 8, but they're scrambled up. So sometimes this is called a scrambled ladder or a mixed ladder, and they're not particularly difficult to come by, but they're not particularly easy either. So this is probably the coolest bill that I have in this pile. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. If you like these videos, I'd love to hear your comments. Love you for you to subscribe. If you're already subscribed to the channel, thank you very much. And enjoy the hunt and find cool cereals.